It's not so easy. It's a big hole. Tea. I drink tea and I smoke. I don't drink coffee. Either beer and whiskey or alcohol. I quit. I smoke Black Point, GLPs. I don't like it. I try to find a tobacco I like, but 4 or 5 months I smoke, so I still looking after a good smoke for me. Black Point I don't like, so I smoke in the calabash, so I can quit, fast. I don't like to throw it away. But I like to ask if you like to share with me about Latakia. My problem is my tongue. Easy to burn my mouth, and I have big problem with this. I try, a couple of tobaccos, but they was good, but my mouth is burning like hell. So I believe is the problem is Virginia, the bright Virginia. I read and people say so too. So, and I try. I have here two uh, GLPs, Udaisi. I don't know if I OD. Maybe I can show it here. No, it's good. ODGSS. You. That is good. But I like to have, is I believe is a lot. I don't believe this is too soft. I like to have stronger, or I don't know how I shall explain this best for me. It is good, but there is something I like to have more. Maybe a stronger or more. I don't know power, but what do you say in English? Um, more power, means maybe that there is more nicotine, sauce, salsa. Wait a minute. Um, but I believe I like Latakia and Orient mix. So if you know a sample, can you tell me without or a little bit Virginia? No bright light. And this black point here, I don't know if peas have same every tobacco they do. I don't know if you can if you can see. No, it's no good. So it's masters this stuff. I must separate from the tobacco. It's no good for me. And the same, that is from the black point, and another one with AC is a little bit, not so much. That is okay. What do you say? You like it? I believe these come from GLPs come from America, and they have plenty of different tobaccos mix where I buy on the internet, and it's the same every brand. What do you say?